All right, so this is a very fun review. This tabletop fire pit was sent to me to test out, and I am excited. Okay, so this is the tabletop fire pit. It's not that big. All you actually need is rubbing alcohol to go ahead and get this started, and a lighter, like a long tip lighter. It does have the little top to go ahead and put here so that you can out the fire. And then it does come with a little guide of warnings. So what we're going to do is actually, as you can see, make some s'mores. We're going to start roasting some marshmallows. This is the tabletop fire pit. It was just lit with rubbing alcohol and then obviously a light. Now to end it, it does come with this so that you can go ahead and just put this over and it will go ahead and out. There are a few different instructions that is written within the instruction book, so definitely read that. One good thing about this tabletop fire pit, it does not have that regular fire soot that will go up into your house or anything like that. And as you notice, we're doing it in my living room. So it's actually really safe for indoors. So let's go ahead.
Yeah. Indoor camping, that's what it is.
Like that, you can make s'mores indoors.